Today we're delving into one of the most common questions that you would ask yourself if you are in the home buying journey. What is my budget? How much can I actually afford? Let's break it down. Assess your finances. Take a good look at how much is your income, how much are your expenses, and the savings. This forms the foundation of your budget. Consider your lifestyle. What type of lifestyle do you want to maintain? This will help you determine how much of your income you are willing to allocate to home ownership. Factor in additional costs. Don't forget property taxes, insurances, maintenance. This can actually snip up on you if you are not prepared, okay? Stay flexible. Life is very dynamic, and so should your budget be. Leave room for unexpected expenses or opportunities that might come your way unaware that can catch you by surprise. There you have it. Determining your budget is a journey, it's not a destination. If you are unsure, I'm here to help. Let's make your home ownership a dream. Like, share, subscribe for more tips, and remember, your dream home might be closer than you think. The big elephant, though clear manage. Cheers. I'm out.